Hey, what's up, good people? It's coming. What's coming? FUD, F-U-D, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That does not mean that something is right or wrong, true or false, but it just simply means fear, which we have in crypto right now, uncertainty, which we have, and doubt. You're doubting your decisions right now, rightfully so, because of everything that's going on with crypto. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. And if you've been rolling with me for a while, or if you just like the page, hit like as soon as possible. Hit it right now on that bottom right-hand corner. I just got through, of course, you guys know it's Sunday. I'm going to talk about everything that's going on with crypto. And then a inspiration at the end if I have time. All right, good people. I just literally took, these are napkins. I'm taking notes down. All right, so let's get right into it. The SEC sued Binance. Right behind that, the next day, they sued Coinbase. Now, you guys know as well as I know, they already had the docs ready for Coinbase. But there is a difference in Coinbase and Binance. They are literally going after Binance, and they are literally going after the CEO of Binance, which is CZ. I can't pronounce his full name, right? I'm not even going to try it. But Coinbase, they're just suing the platform because they're saying that some of the cryptos are security, all right? Unregistered securities. But with Binance, they are suing CZ also, saying that he is participating in a lot of wrongful things. This is Gary Gensler of the SEC that are waging these charges. Now, listen, I'm going to leave a video at the end of this video about everything you need to know about crypto. One of the things I said, I believe it was on a live with Stocks with Josh. I said this, character is one thing. When CZ came out and reached an olive branch out to FTX and said, hey, you know what? Come over here. Let's see if we could buy you out or help to preserve the platform. He knew day one that that wasn't what he was going to do. So instead, he exposed FTX. Now, FTX needed to be exposed, but he exposed FTX just so he can have a monopoly on it. Now, when people show you who they are, believe them the first time. It's his character. And if you've heard me say this, that the next major fall will be Binance, and leave me a comment, because I absolutely warned you guys. Now, because of that, because the SEC has now sued the two biggest crypto platforms in the world, now you have companies like RobinHood. Now, RobinHood is delisting some crypto. Somebody left a comment. RobinHood is not delisting cryptos. Yes, they are. All right. And it's not RobinHood. Let's keep the facts. It's not RobinHood doing anything wrong. And you guys know I'm not a fan of RobinHood, but I like the truth. So RobinHood is not doing anything wrong, but RobinHood makes a bankload of money on cryptos. I want you to Google how much RobinHood makes off of crypto trading. And so now you remember what happened with the whole debacle with RobinHood. You're not being able to, buy or sell and that type of deal. So, these things have to be covered. If there's a run on all of these cryptos, RobinHood don't want to go through that again. And to be honest with you, I don't blame RobinHood. So as of June 27th, Solana, ADA, and Polygon will be off of RobinHood's platform. All right. But I'm telling you the why. RobinHood cannot afford to take that hit. Now, even Webull is separating the crypto from the stock. You'll still be able to have your crypto. You can leave it there if you want to. It's just going to move it to another place. Go, if you have Webull, open the app and you'll see a ticker explaining everything that they are doing with their crypto, all of their crypto. They're just separating it from the regular stock. So you'll be able to go here for crypto and you'll be able to go here for stock. Okay. So that's what's going on. All right. And so read it. Any platform you own, be it Coinbase, Binance, Weibo, or whatever, read what that platform is saying, what they are going to do with their crypto. The bottom line of all of this, it's the SEC that is screwing everything around. All right. Now, Binance is getting it the worst because they will be suspending withdrawals and deposits. So if you're on Binance, I told you last year that Binance is the next big shoe to fall. Get your crypto and your money off of the platform, period. I am not going to tell you where to put it. You know, I can't tell you what wallet to put it on. You have to do that research, okay? I'm not underwriting or signing off on anything. I have money, I have crypto on Coinbase, and I just go in, make my play, and then I get out. I bought a full Bitcoin the other day when I told you guys I bought a full Bitcoin and a half. Actually, it was almost 2 Bitcoin. I bought that. I bought one of them on Weibo. And as you guys saw, I ran it up. I made like $1,200 in a day when crypto first took the hit last week. And then I sold it because I use my crypto on Weibo to trade and not invest. Okay. So be smart, good people. Yes, some people are buying a lot of crypto, but what good is it for you to buy a lot of crypto on a platform where you're going to lose it all? You're going to lose your crypto and you're going to lose your money. So I'm just saying, Binance literally is telling you to take it off. With Weibo, they're saying you could leave it. We're going to move it and everything will be the same, or you could just sell it. And so what I did was I sold all of my other crypto, and I'll be getting in, but I still have Bitcoin. And with my Weibo, I actually just bought, what's the name of it? It'll come to me in a minute. I want to just keep it rolling. All right. So I want you guys to know that I'm mostly Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is safe. Ethereum is safe, but Bitcoin is the only thing I have. Right now I have 0 Ethereum, and I know some might think that's crazy, but I'm in the safest crypto because what's going to happen right now is the FUD is going to get worse this week. Believe me when I tell you. There's going to be a video in this box. I want you to look at every prediction I had about crypto moving forward. I did say that it will be regulated. It will come under regulation. I did say that the first thing they're going to do is regulate stablecoin. I did say that Binance will be the next big shoe to fall. I also said that I was not looking for the bottom of crypto to start buying. I was waiting on this to happen, in particular with Binance. If you've heard me say that, leave me a comment. I have. Now, this is just me. And I shared with my community, for those of you that are new, I showed them with Coinbase alone, I showed them a negative $166,000 loss that I had, just like everybody else. I bled with all of you guys. But I made another $378,000 all together with all of my other crypto, with all of my platforms. So you gotta take the losses with the wins, but the lessons are not in your wins. The lessons are in your losses, all right? So number one, protect your money, good people. Don't wait around. If you're on Binance, get your money off of it. Just get your money off, right? And protect your money, right? I can't tell you where to move it. And yeah, but what if I'm up? What if I'm down? I want you to go to Binance and read what they are telling you, okay? You won't be able to withdraw or make a deposit. So these are tough times. It calls for tough decisions. Now, here's what I think in crypto. I think that this is, it's actually good that it's doing it right now while crypto is down. Let's get this shake off over. I believe in crypto long term. The SEC is not going to control crypto. Crypto is not owned by the United States, right? We may have regulations here as it pertains to, is it a security or not? The bottom line is they just want money, number one. Number two, it's a threat against fiat currency. That's all it is, good people. Let's just keep it real. That's all it is. And they want to control it, and they can't because they don't own it. And because of that, I am patient enough to continue to invest through this FUD because I believe in crypto long term. Larry, do you know exactly what's going to happen to crypto? No, I don't, and no one does. But I believe that blockchain will continue. I believe that crypto will continue. And right now, all of my money is in Bitcoin and the crypto miners, right? You know who the Riot is what I was going to say. I bought Riot and Mara. I bought more Riot and Mara. Now, Riot and Mara is traded on the New York Stock Exchange. So I could still participate in overall crypto with Mara and Riot and still make some sweet gains when this FUD is over. And then I can transfer that money back into the ADA, the Solana, and the Polygons, and all the other crypto that I do like, right? This is my path. I want you to tell me what your path is, okay? These are some of the things that I wanted to talk about. Hey, I want you guys to check out the top link below and download Stock Up You. It's something that I put together to help you be a better trader. And I will be getting into crypto, especially for beginners. When I say beginners, sometimes we think, oh, I'm past the beginner. I've been trading for years. That's a big mistake. It's a big mistake that I made because I always go back to the basics because it causes me to make more money. All right. So here's my inspiration because I had to cover all of that because this week the FUD is coming. I like Proverbs. You know, there's Chinese proverbs, there's this and that and the other, but this is get ready, good people. Here comes the inspirational, and it is Bible based, but I dare you to listen to this. Proverbs 13:11 says, wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whomever gathers little by little will increase it. Okay. So what am I doing right now? Other than the big Bitcoin purchase that I made last week, I am dollar cost averaging little by little when it comes to crypto because we're in an accumulation phase. That's what I'm doing. If you really truly want to get rich, you don't have to really listen to, not get rich, build wealth. You don't have to listen to any of us YouTubers or anybody else. It's simple. Invest 10% of your money into an S&P 500 based company, ETF, or just the overall market, and do that while you work, and you will build wealth. It's just that simple. But just like this Proverbs says, wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whomever gathers little by little will increase it. And that is the truth. I know a lot of people say, yeah, but that's in the Bible. Let me tell you something about that Bible. That Bible, the book, the good book I call the Bible, crypto is in there, right? This weather is in there. Wealth is in there. Wealth and provision is mentioned over 2,000 times. So even if you don't believe in the Bible, at least use it as a reference, because sometimes I will read something and it causes me to go, aha. And so all this negative and all of these misteaching about money being evil and all of that, the Bible doesn't say that. Man said that. If you read it for yourself and get a full understanding, the wealth that's talked about in the Bible is not to build, big mega churches or to do this. It's so you and I could have provision. That's what it's all about. So we can feed the poor. So we can do things with our money. I choose to honor God. I do take care of my church. I believe in tithing and all of that. But I give a lot of money out to causes, charitable causes that I believe in. And so that may be your family, all right? And so to these pastors out there, hey, Pastors, listen, you've been teaching about the 10% since you've had your ministry. Now it's time to teach about the 90%. Help the people with the 90% and the 10% increases, right? I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Tell me what you think about this crypto. I believe in it long term. It doesn't mean that I'm right, but it's what I believe in. And so I'm going to be patient. And when everyone else is fearful, that's when I'm going to be greedy. Warren Buffett. All right? All right. Good people. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, learn. Make sure you do two things. You check out the top link below, Stock Up You, learn more, earn more, and then watch the video that's going to appear in this box.